Hi and welcome to cheekyricho Cooking's Mushroom Stroganoff. This is a vegetarian dish. It's not vegan. It is easy. It's very tasty, good for your vegetarian friends, and very satisfying. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is chop our mushrooms, chop our onions, and chop our garlic. Now to a pan, over medium heat, we add our butter and our chopped mushrooms, our pepper, and our veggie salt. The veggie salt's going to draw the moisture out of the mushrooms and make them brown a little bit, which will give them a nice colour and flavour and intensify the flavour. We'll stir this all around. The mushrooms are now going to release some moisture, and once they do, it'll get a bit soupy. So we've got it on about 350 degrees. We might amp it up a little bit and get this browning. Okay, our mushrooms have released quite a bit of moisture now. It's evaporating away nicely, and now we're going to add our onions and let them sweat right down as well, and they're going to make a gorgeous sweetness to the dish. Okay, a lot of that moisture has been released now. It's in with our garlic. We didn't do it any earlier because I didn't want it to burn. It would get bitter. So just put our garlic in now. Mix that all around. It's starting to smell pretty fine. Flash of our Worcestershire sauce now. Mix that all around. In with our tomato paste. We want to get the cooked tomato flavour, the rawness of that. We want to mix that right through and cook it right in. Give us a gorgeous colour, also adds to the thickening of it. Okay, and now we add our sour cream. You could use natural yogurt if you like, cashew cream, and just give that a mix all around. Serving this with some steamed asparagus, some creamy mashed potato, and a little cob of corn. And there you have it, cheekyricho Cooking's Mushroom Stroganoff. Vegetarian feast. You can fill a pie with it. You can put it into crepes. It's absolutely delicious, healthy, nutritious, and totally meat-free. Thanks for watching. And there you have it, cheekyricho's Mushroom Stroganoff. Vegetarian take on an old-fashioned classic. We've just got a little bit of parsley there for a garnish, and we're going to give it a little bit of a taste, shall we? It's thick and creamy, beautifully seasoned, and honestly, you don't miss the meat. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.